10 effective yoga poses to open heart blockages. If there's any blockage in the rhythm of your heartbeat, this video might offer you a natural solution to get your heart beating freely again. We're about to practice yoga poses that can help clear blocked pathways in your heart. 1. Ardha Matsyendrasana, half spinal twist. This pose twists the spine and expands the chest and heart region, helping to break down cholesterol deposits in the arteries and boost blood circulation, which can effectively reduce coronary blockages. 2. Yogasana, cobra pose. By opening the chest, this pose relieves stiffness around the heart, increases oxygen supply, and gradually clears arterial blockages. 3. Hashimotonasana, seated forward bend. This forward bending pose gently stretches the blood vessels around the heart, helping to break down fat deposits and improving arterial flexibility. 4. Setovandasana, bridge pose. This pose lifts the chest and activates the heart muscles. It increases oxygen-rich blood flow to the heart and gradually reduces blockages. 5. Trikonasana, triangle pose. By expanding the entire body, this pose supports smooth blood flow toward the heart, enhancing oxygen and nutrient delivery to heart tissues and helping control blockages. 6. Ustrasana, camel pose. This heart-opening pose improves the flexibility of arteries, reduces pressure on the heart, and gently diminishes blockages over time. 7. Ardha Chakrasana, half-wheel pose. A back-bending posture that strengthens the heart muscles, expands the chest, enhances circulation, and helps eliminate built-up blockages. 8. Anulam Vilom Pranayama, alternate nostril breathing. This breathing technique balances blood pressure in the arteries through rhythmic breathing. It controls hypertension and naturally helps reduce heart blockages. 9. Surya Namaskar, sun salutation, a full-body workout that energizes the blood, increases circulation in heart arteries, and helps improve arterial health. 10. Shavasana, corpse pose. Through deep relaxation, this pose calms the heartbeat, reduces stress, and helps control arterial constriction. If you want your heart to beat freely and rhythmically again, give a little time to yoga every day. And if you're looking to keep your heart healthy and your peace permanent, make sure to subscribe to this channel because nature holds the cure for every illness. All it takes is adopting it the right way.